Are air fryers safe, or does it destroy the nutrients of the food? What is the big deal, and why are foodies desperately looking to add an air fryer to their appliance list? Air fryers come as an alternative to deep frying. In theory, air fryers are more healthy and practical than deep frying. Air fryers use significantly less oil for cooking, it reduces calories and fat, and fewer harmful compounds go into your food. For example, traditionally fried foods contain acrylamide, a potentially carcinogenic compound. Some studies have found there is a relation between consuming acrylamide and an increased risk of ovarian, endometrial and kidney cancer. Air frying considerably reduces acrylamide and other similar compounds, and therefore the probability of developing cancer also decreases. The concept of preparing meals lies heavily in the provision of heat. Heat used by dry hot air such as an air fryer coats nutrients and allows the meals to be cooked at slightly fewer temperatures, unlike meals prepared in moist environments such as deep frying or boiling. Air frying, therefore, does not destroy nutrients, rather they help in preserving them for a much healthier lifestyle for human beings. Diverse cooking methods result in the loss of key nutrients in even the healthiest foods. Depending on the procedure, veggies or meats can lose up to 40% of their nutrients when grilled, poached, or boiled. Air frying is not a miraculous or magical technique that will prevent food from losing any nutrients. In fact, nutrient depletion is consubstantial to cooking foods at high temperatures. On the other hand, there is no evidence showing air frying destroys more nutrients in your food than other cooking methods. If you want your food to retain as many nutrients as possible, be sure to protect it from direct contact with the heat. For example, when grilling, you can wrap or foil veggies. Because they use a frying basket, air fryers prevent food from getting in contact with direct heat. That being said, air fryers allow food to keep more of its potential benefits to health than other cooking methods such as deep frying, poaching, or boiling. However, due to change in technology and availability of knowledge, the concept of marinating has helped individuals who prefer to air fry their food to also enjoy the benefits of tasty foods without a guilty conscience of fried foods. In short, it can be said that air frying is a healthier way to cook when compared to other cooking methods such as deep frying. Because it uses significantly less oil, air frying reduces fat and calories that go into your food. Moreover, air fryers produce less potentially harming compounds such as acrylamide, a carcinogenic compound found in high-temperature cooked foods. Research on air-fried foods is still very limited. The first air fryers were originally introduced to the market in 2010. Ever since, the popularity of air fryers has soared. As we have discussed earlier, there are several benefits associated with air frying instead of deep frying your foods. However, you should be aware of the dangers of overusing air fryers just because, supposedly, they are a healthier way to cook. Keep that in mind, but also acknowledge there are some key advantages that come along with using an air fryer. Happy cooking!